Hello and welcome to Neha's Cookhouse with Bangan Bharta. This easy and quick eggplant recipe is best to prepare when you want something delicious and spicy in less time. Bangan Bharta is a healthy North Indian dish which is especially good for digestive health. So let's go through the ingredients to start making it. Half cup finely chopped onions, 1 big brinjal peeled and diced, 2 tablespoons cooking oil, 1/4 cup chopped green coriander, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 cup finely chopped tomatoes, 1 teaspoon finely chopped green chilies, salt according to taste, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. So let's start with first boiling the brinjal. For this add diced brinjal, 1 cup water, half teaspoon salt in a pan and mix them well. Now cover the pan and let it cook for 10 to 12 minutes on medium-high heat till all brinjals are completely cooked. After 10 minutes, check if brinjals have cooked by poking with a spoon. They look cooked now, so switch off the heat and mash them properly to this consistency. Now we will make masala for sabji. For this, heat oil in a different pan. When it's hot enough, add cumin seeds. And when they start crackling, add onions and saute them for a minute. After that, add ginger paste, garlic paste and mix them well. Now cook it on medium heat till all onions are cooked and turned light brown. Now add green chilies, tomatoes, salt, turmeric, red chili powder and mix them well. Be careful when adding salt as we have also added salt while boiling brinjal. Now cover it and cook on medium heat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, check if tomatoes are cooked enough and mash them slightly with the ladle to make it paste-like. Now add mashed brinjal, coriander powder, some garam masala and a teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix them well to perfectly blend tomato masala with brinjal. Now cover the pan and let it cook on medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes so that brinjal paste can absorb all flavors of spices. After that, just saute it for few more minutes till all extra water dries out. Bangan bharta has dried out well, so it's time to add some green coriander and mix it well. Now our bharta is ready to serve. Transfer it to a bowl and enjoy. Bangan bharta tastes just awesome. This simple but delicious dish can easily enhance taste of any meal. You can serve it with roti, parathas, naan or boiled rice. Add some bundi raita or salad to make it a complete meal. Try this easy and simple version of eggplant bharta and enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And don't miss to check new recipes every Tuesday, Friday, Saturday. Have a healthy eating.